In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your PS5 randomly turning off by itself. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, let's go ahead and make sure that your PS5 isn't turning off because of the power saving settings. This will probably fix it for y'all, but go into your settings and then scroll down to the screen and video option right here. Once you are on screen and video, go ahead and go specifically into the screen section and find this dim screen while inactive option. Go ahead and just set it to don't dim rather than 15 minutes or whatever it might be set to. That's going to prevent the unnecessary power saving behavior. From here though, back out to the main settings page and scroll up until you see the system section, select it and then go on this left hand sidebar until you see power saving. And from within here, go ahead and just set the time until PS5 enters rest mode to don't put in rest mode by selecting this and then selecting don't put in rest mode. You can also turn off time until controllers turn off if you want. But the most common fix and the most common cause of this is going to be the built-in safety feature for overheating. If a console gets too hot, it's going to automatically shut off to protect the hardware. To fix that, improve the placement of your PS5. You're going to want to make sure all of the vents are fully clear and able to breathe. If your PS5 is on the floor, for example, move it to like a desk or shelf and do not put it in a closed cabinet. That will make it overheat. If your PS5 is vertical, try laying it horizontally because this can also improve the airflow and heat distribution. But on top of that, you can actually reduce the system load as well by going back into your main settings page and then scrolling down to the saved data and game app settings and opening it up. From here, go to the game preset options and go to the performance mode or resolution mode and change it to performance mode. This is going to lower the system strain compared to the resolution mode and prevent overheating. If your PS5 does keep shutting off, it's most likely due to one of these reasons. Fix them and the issue should stop. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.